A very good morning, 8th standard. This is your social studies class, and this is block 22, Elements of Weather and Climate. And today we are going to learn lesson plan 2, Air Pressure and Wind System. I hope you are ready with all your essential items so that we can learn effectively. Now, before we start our lesson, we will do a quick recap. What had we learned in the previous class? We had read about temperature and heat zones. So as you know, there are 3 heat zones on the earth. So as usual, I will start the lesson plan with a question. Now tell me, does air have weight? Does this affect weather and climate? If yes, then how? So as you know, air pressure is the weight of the air exerted on the Earth's surface. The presence of more molecules of gases and water vapor makes the air dense. Dense air exerts more pressure, and we identify this condition as high pressure. Hot air has fewer molecules of gases and exerts less pressure. We identify this as a low pressure condition. Now I hope you understood that what are we going to learn. So today we will learn about the factors which led to varying air pressure on the earth. Got it? Now you will copy the table in your notebook that is given in your next slide and see figure 2, 3 and 4. You can discuss these figures with any of your family members and fill in the table. Here is the table. Note it down or copy it as it is written or it is drawn on the slide. You can pause the video here, do whatever is asked to you, then we will come back and discuss few more questions. I hope you are done. Now tell me, what are the types of weather conditions associated with high and low pressure system? A high pressure system leads to a good weather, and low pressure areas experience bad weather. If the temperature is high, what will happen to air pressure? High temperature leads to low pressure. If the temperature is low, will air pressure be high or low? So, low pressure area experience bad weather. High temperature leads to low pressure as the air becomes less dense. Low temperature leads to high pressure as the air becomes denser. And if the temperature is low, will air pressure be high or low? So as I told you the answer, that if high temperature, so low pressure will be there, and if low temperature, then high pressure will be there. Now how is wind associated with pressure system? Wind blows from the higher pressure to low pressure areas. Now we will proceed towards the next question. What are the features of high pressure and low pressure conditions? So the features of high pressure system are good weather, bright sunshine, clear sky and light breeze. And The features of low pressure system are bad weather, cloudy skies, rain or snowfall, and strong winds. Which are the factors that affect the pressure system on the earth? So the factors are temperature and altitude that affect the pressure system of the earth. When the temperature of a place increases, the air heats up, expands, and rises. Thus, air pressure of that place falls. Next question is, what is the effect of differences in air pressure on weather and climate? So your answer might be matched with my answer. The answer is, with the differences in air pressure, horizontal movement of wind will start from high pressure to low pressure areas. This movement is wind, and the strength of wind will depend on the difference of pressure system. If the difference is if the difference is less, light breeze will blow. If the difference is more, strong wind will blow. I hope you understood. If you do have any problem, you can ask me in the comment section. After listening this, read the section air pressure and wind system so that you can learn more about the wind system. Now here comes the question of the day. You need to write any one of the factors that affect the pressure system of the earth. I hope you understood it. After reading it and listening it, you will complete your workbook S2, and in notebook you will complete 4 to 6. I hope you will complete your work on time. Thank you and have a nice day.